Profe, buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Jonathan Agüelo. Me tocó, no pude hacer generar el link por Poundtown porque para algún procedimiento o avatars que yo agregaba, entonces no me dejaba generar el link para la opción que le dan a uno free, libre. Entonces yo decidí hacerla por acá pues con otro programa y simular unos avatars ahí en PowerPoint. Entonces hablo desde el tiempo pasado con mi novia. And I was with my girlfriend in the restaurant, but she was very happy because I came from traveling, and I was 4 years without seeing her. But she was very worried. I thinking about our marriage. I have like a lot of work, but she told me, don't worry because we are going to be together. And I think that she will never forgive me. And I told her everything is easy. I started to drink liquor every day and I travel for play for another place. But I am happy now and I made money in euro and I have many job opportunities. I have money to get married and I make happy her.